This is how I keep my luxury items clean. I use the Clorox wipes. It could be in that circle jar. Ooh, my hair. It could be in that circle jar or these to-go packs. I usually do the to-go packs when I'm away. And yeah, these things do the job. And they're bleach free, so yeah, it works. So you see, maybe you can't because the lights in here are so bright, but there's a dirt mark there. And I just wipe a few times and then it's gone. And it looks like you've never worn them. Not really, but they, are clean. So I do this. So yeah, that's what I do. So yeah, like I said, this is how I clean my luxury items. Even my items that aren't luxury, like, regular sneakers and, bags and stuff that you want to keep clean. Like I said in the little note thing, I do use baby wipes for my purses. So yeah, let me get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.